Tonight, I'm going to be sharing 6 CapCut features that is going to make your life a whole lot easier while editing your video content. Number 1 feature is the Auto Captions. Now, use this feature to transcribe your whole video and automatically add the captions. So that means that you don't have to manually go in and type out every single word for word. CapCut does that for you. Actually, rather quickly. It does it in like a matter of like seconds. Number 2 is the background remover. You can have a portrait video, such as the one that you're basically looking at right now with me, and you can basically remove the background of the video. And then you can replace it with other images or possibly like another background color. Number 3 is resize videos. So this is for my people who have long form videos, like possibly like webinars, live streams, YouTube videos, and podcasts or video podcasts that they want to repurpose. This feature automatically takes whatever size of the video is and it changes it to the other size that you want it to be. So let's say the video is in landscape mode, which is basically the long mode, and you want to turn it to like, you know, Instagram reel size. CapCut will automatically resize that video for you, and you won't have to worry about putting in the different aspect ratios. The 4th feature, which I find to actually be super fun, is the templates feature. So let's say you're tired of creating the same type of videos, you can check out CapCut's templates area, and they have different little fun pre-made templates that other people made. So you can create stuff like YouTube intros or like short video ads, or you know, just a trendy new video to spice up your video content. Now the templates are drag and drop, so basically it'll have all the placeholders in place for where you need to put the graphics in the video, and all you have to do is drop it in there and the video will automatically be made for you. The last feature that I'm going to talk about is the music library. Now this app was made or is made by TikTok, so they have a few of the trendy sounds that you hear on TikTok or you may hear on Instagram sometimes inside the app, which I think is super cool. But they also have some commercial music that you can use if you know you need royalty-free music. So I would be careful with which songs you choose, because depending on which song it is, it can get your video taken down. But that is a really cool feature that CapCut has. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I have more in the way. But if you want to know how to put some of these features into action, I have a video going over my exact process that I take my videos and all my clients' videos through. So if you want to watch that video, it will be down in the description box, or it will be on the video card on the screen somewhere.